The news in detail. India and Bhutan today exchanged several agreements of mutual interest to further strengthen their partnership. The documents were exchanged between India and Bhutan in the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Bhutan Shering Tobgay in Thimphu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Bhutan will give new boost to bilateral relationship by focusing on developmental partnership. The Prime Minister reached Paro this morning on a two-day visit to Bhutan. During the visit, Prime Minister will have the audience with King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesha Namgyal Wangchuk, and 4th King of Bhutan, Jigme Singye Wanchuk. Prime Minister Modi will also inaugurate the Gyaltsen Jetson Pema Mother and Child Hospital in Thimphu tomorrow.
The King of Bhutan और हमारे लक्ष्य भी एक जैसे हैं। भारत ने 2047 तक विकसित देश बनने का लक्ष्य तय किया है, वहीं भूटान ने 2034 तक हाई इनकम देश बनने का लक्ष्य रखा है।